हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आप देख सकते हैं ये है एक विलेज एरियाज फूड्स एंड फॉरेस्ट जंगल एंड द river you can see here, small river, not a river you can say. This one is the village areas forest and near about in my village, and I want to see this today. And so I think you all also want to see that forest area, and slowly I will go inside of the forest and show you many different kinds of forest plants. Here you can see, and this one is area, but how I will go there, it's a very difficult for me, but I will search other way and show you many plants inside of the branches. And uh, here you can see uh, there are different kinds of plants here, and show you mango trees and other forestry. Here you can see, but inside I cannot go, it's not a possible, so I will go the other way here, because it's not a congested area of plants, and possible to show you many other things. And here you know that there are many plants, there are many things here. Can I show you? Boots, very difficult. Here you see the sunlight inside the forest, and before a times I show you many plants, but today I cannot possible, because I will not go inside. It's very difficult, very difficult. I'll show you very herbs. You can see here hole of the snake.